We're gonna be doing some drills, accents now with the Baladi rhythm. Doom tack, doom doom, tack, doom tack, doom doom. Forward, back. Notice how relaxed is my shimmy. 2, chunky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not that I have this rooted on the floor and I'm here. I'm walking and rocking. Forward and back. Forward, back. But very important, because I'm doing it so natural, it doesn't feel like this. Doesn't feel like I'm marching. I'm just going further to the front until my heels start coming up naturally, further back until my heel comes up. Let's go again. 1, 2, back.